Hey, what's up, nerds? So I was trying to take video with my old camcorder and talk about it because I didn't feel like working on my car today, or my other car, or my minivans. And my seat broke the second I sat down in the car. Now, it's broken before. I had Greg, my fabrication guy, had him fix it a while ago. I actually have other seats for this car that I never put in it. I believe the seats are from a Chrysler Laser, which is the same thing as a Dodge Daytona, just like a little bougier. And these are like early seats, so they're actually pretty nice. What's the correct side? I've got the correct side even for the driver's side. So I'm gonna replace the driver's seat, see how much I like it, see if I don't like it. I didn't plan on doing this today. In fact, I was kind of worried because I haven't had anything planned for this for a while. And this got forced upon me. So here we are. Yeah, you can see the seats are donezo. I just had it covered up with a shirt for a while. I would like to get these redone at some point because this is actually a factory bench that was cut down. But yeah, the seat, it is late broken. So it's just 4 bolts and then a little bit of wiring. So I'll just get to it real quick. All right. You see that bolt? So it's not a 14, it's not a 13. Well, I guess it is a 13. You just really gotta like talk to it nice. Really. Like, I mean, it's on there, but it's certainly ain't fucking happy about it. And then you just gotta, oh, I impacted this motherfuckers on. Oh, you my this just went from bad to worse. Listen, I am I'm very displeased about that. I don't have anything else to drive. Well, I mean, we do, but I don't, you know? I don't want to drive my wife's car because then she doesn't have anything to drive. Because then, well, she does. She gotta drive the stupid F-250. It's currently full of garbage. That one came out. All right. I currently feel much better about this because I forgot that these had like double bolts on one side for some reason. Neon seats have, you know, like 2 bolts in the rear and they come up, go down, and then they got 2 bolts in the front. This has like 4 bolts in the front. Maybe I just go without all the bolts on the front. I just go with 2 bolts on the front instead of 3 or 4 or however many. This is displeasing. My stack of wrenches is in the back seat. In the trunk. All right. Oh, wrapper from Pop-Tarts. Hey, so I had a bad day yesterday. I hurt my back working on the car. Yesterday I had like a meltdown while I was working on the car. I just, for some reason, there's a bolt down here and it's a stud sticking up and it's just spinning and I can't get it to unloosen like it normally would. And I started tripping, dude. I was like losing it. So I decided that I needed to stop working for the day. I went inside and played video games and I woke up today and my back hurt insanely bad. So I took a bunch of meds. I chilled out for a while. I realized that I'm not going to have anything to drive to work tomorrow, if I can still go to work tomorrow. So I needed to finish this up. Although at this rate, I'm not sure I'm going to work tomorrow. So I'll try and finish this up. I have my microphone on a screwdriver because I don't know, I just needed something to hold. But the unfortunate part of me taking out the seat is I'm actually going to lose my armrest entirely, which I didn't really use it that much because I was worried about it. Like the other one's broken. It also looks like these seats are velcroed, or not velcroed, zippered on. So maybe I can figure out how to get it reupholstered at some point. Oh, so I did get I got the seat out finally. Got that last bolt out that was hassling me. I also knocked over my toolbox. Before I go any further, I gotta organize all my sockets. this is what we're dealing with. Not too bad all in all, but not what I wanted to deal with today. So yeah, yesterday was not a great day for me. I just wanted to pop this seat out, pop a new one in, and I couldn't make it happen. It was like everything, it felt like everything I was doing was just fighting me. I felt myself starting to crack a little bit and having, like, as the industry says, spiraling thoughts. So I decided that my best course of action was to stop everything I was doing, pack everything up, and go inside. Plus, I was losing daylight. So that's what I did. I went inside, I played some video games, I worked on some music, I did everything but work on my car yesterday. I came out here with a hurt back but a fresh frame of mind. I felt much better for it. So I was going to try and say it real quick, but not every day's a good day, you know. Not every day is going to be the day that, you know, like you get your car on the road or that you finish it up, and that's okay. We can all have those days where, you know, you just strike out. But, you know, you can take those days and reroute them into doing something else. Like I, you know, sent a couple of friends a track I was working on, or I, you know, played video games for a little bit. I did something else for a little bit. And that's where my good day energy went, you know. I couldn't finish up my car yesterday, and I was pretty upset about it. But then, you know, I woke up today and my back hurt really bad, and I was worried about that. You know, I took a bunch of medication. I decided to come out here and kind of take it slow. I let myself get a little frustrated, but I got through it. You can get through it too. Anyway, let's toss this stupid seat in. The wiring in the car is like stubby, like barely sticks out, and the wiring for the seat is also stubby, and it's like in the middle of the seat, so I need to extend it, and I don't have anything here to extend it with. So looks like I might have to run to the store or something. It's like a 12 gauge wire. It's like really thick. So first off, I'm gonna trim this tape off of here. I'm gonna cut this maybe a little short, but there's one wire, the red stripe. That lines up to the red power wire coming out of the floor here. One wire that's all black. I'm tired of my life being feast or famine, bud. I'm telling you. I'm getting tired of it. I want to depin this. What that means is take a little screwdriver, sticking it through here, and trying to work it out. So I can get this down. I can't work it through. Oh, there we go. There's that. Man, that's a big wire, dude. That is a big terminal. So if you can see in here, there's like a little tab that sticks down. I'm pulling the tab down out of the terminal and then pulling the tab down and then pulling the wire through. So the black is on the little notch and the red is on the big notch. Take my little snippies. That's a big fucking wire. I got another big wire to attach to it, but it doesn't feel like it's as beefy as this, you know? I can't just wrap these because they're really serious gauge wires. Let's see if I might have to go inside and solder this. This will probably do it. It's not gonna come off. Let me go on my tape. I just had some good 88T tape. I don't know where I did with it. Well, that's crappy. All right, so yeah, I stripped both sides and I'm taping them up. I just recorded a bunch of stuff, and well, I thought I was recording. Apparently I didn't hit record. But I did a bunch of this the wrong way. It makes me think of this band I like. They're from West Virginia. I'm gonna put their name up here. I think about that every time I wire something incorrectly on this damn car. Let's see if the seat works. Hey, look at that. That's gonna make it a lot easier to bolt in, pal. Let's get this paper towel out of here. So, seat works, and that's good. So now I'm gonna bolt the seat in with only 2 bolts up front, 2 bolts in back. Hopefully that nut will cooperate. Hopefully I can just, with an impact, and it just spins down. Hey, big update. My car is not at a working seat in a couple of weeks, months, quite a while. It's been a hot minute since it's had a seat that's worked. That just made me pretty happy. Let's do the back seat, the back bolts. Yeah, don't mind my pile of stuff over there. Definitely at first glance, you don't notice that they're very different seats. You know, the color match is like the same, but they are definitely bolstered. So much different. I gotta clean this out and take a better outro video. So what's up, nerds? I've been driving with this seat in the car for like 2 months, and I forget that I'm not in my 20s anymore. I am almost 40, and I've got the back of somebody who's like in their late 50s, early 60s. I've got a bulge disc. So having like what's equivalent of a factory racing seat in the car really sucks. It feels like you're sitting in like a very slightly padded Kirky seat. If I was in my early 20s, this would be an awesome seat. I would love it to death. I'm gonna try to find another seat out of like an 87 and 94 LeBaron. If you like hearing me talk, or you want to hear me talk about camera stuff, I got a camera channel, which is, I'm going to start getting into like more electronics. Yeah, follow me there if you want to. Keep following me here. I'm going to keep posting stuff and be working on this. I think the next thing I'm going to do, besides get a different seat, I got to fix the fuel pump in my Neon so I can stop driving this, and then I got to fix this. Well, it needs a clutch. I have a new clutch for it, but it also needs like the fork and all that other like accoutrement that comes with like working on an SRT4 at this age. I didn't do like resolutions this year, but I filled out a bingo card. And one of my spots on the bingo card is to run a 12-second pass in this, which also means that I need to fix the windshield. I also have another K car. It's actually my wife's. Well, we got it for her a few years ago. It's in pretty bad shape because I've let it stay in bad shape. She's never driven it. She's only ridden it a couple times. I would like to at least get it running again. Also, my friend Ann has a 71 Mustang that has not ran in a very long time. It was her late aunt's car. So I think that one of my things I want to do this year is, try and branch out into different brands of things. I do plan on branching out. My son's gonna get his license this year, so we got to put a car together for him. It will probably be a Neon. In fact, it will probably be my wife's old Neon that's been marinating in our backyard. And he's gonna have, a stock single cam Neon with a 394 transmission, so it feels like a race car, but hopefully he won't wreck it because I'm not made out of money. So anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for being here. Oh, one of the things I will do for him is I'm going to remove the rear sway bar so it will only push, it won't rotate.